What's happening there, guys, and welcome back to Unveiling Wild. In today's video, we'll be presenting you with our list of the top 10 biggest spiders in the world. So let's get started without any further ado. Number 11, a little bit about spiders. Before we get started, if you guys have arachnophobia, which is otherwise an intense fear of spiders, you might want to stop watching this video right now, since we'll be describing different types of spider species in depth. It's estimated that over 46,000 species of spiders are alive today. These 8-legged creatures are spread all across the world except for Antarctica. Since there are so many species, that means these spiders come in all shapes and sizes. From being small and harmless to being venomous to a point where they can literally kill you, they are a very diverse group. Anyway, let's start off with our list. Number 10, giant huntsman spider SPARASSIDAE. Even though giant huntsman spiders are number 10 on our list, they have the largest leg span of all spiders, which is 30 centimeters. Their body size is up to 8 centimeters. Giant huntsman spiders can be found in Laos. However, they consist of smaller huntsman spiders too that live in warm and temperate climates around the world. These spiders have a crab-like walk since their legs are twisted and are fanned out, but that doesn't mean that they're slow. In fact, these spiders are fast, which helps them in hunting their prey better. Along with their speed, huntsmen are known for being particularly venomous, so much so that a human being bitten will likely require hospitalization. Number 9, Goliath bird-eater tarantula, THERAPHOSA BLONDI. At number 9, we have the Goliath bird-eater tarantula. This is the biggest tarantula in the world and weighs in at around 175 pounds, which also makes it the world's heaviest spider. It has a body size of 12 centimeters, followed by a leg span of up to 28 centimeters. Now, by their name, one would think that they're bird eaters. However, they don't actually consume birds that frequently. More frequently, their focus is on preying on invertebrates like mice, frogs, and lizards at night. Goliath bird eaters live in the swamps and rainforests of North and South America. These spiders bite and are able to deliver a venom that's comparable to a wasp sting. For defense, they rub their hairs together to make a hissing noise able to be heard from a few meters away. When under threat, they often rear up on their hind legs and show their fangs or fire their barbed hairs at attackers that can be launched into the skin or the eyes, causing irritation for days. Number 8, Hercules baboon spider, HYSTEROCRATES hercules. Hercules baboon spiders are native to Africa and are well known for being enormous and aggressive. Their ideal body size is 9 centimeters, followed by a leg span of up to 28 centimeters. Their name baboon is derived from the resemblance between their legs and a baboon's finger. It should be noted that they haven't been seen in the wild since 1900. However, one of the spiders from the species was captured, and you can find it at London's Natural History Museum. The venom of this spider is not that strong, and the chances of getting harmed are less until and unless the infection spreads in the body. Number 7, Brazilian salmon pink bird-eater, LASIODORA PARAHYBANA. The Brazilian salmon pink bird-eaters can be found in the rainforests of Brazil. With a leg span of up to 10 inches, the Brazilian salmon pink bird-eater is one of the largest tarantulas in the world, and this spider gets big fast. It can grow up to a diameter of 6 inches in the first year of life. When these spiders are young, they're pink all over, hence their name. Coloring may be the best way to identify these tarantulas, but Brazilian salmon pink bird-eaters also have a distinctive shape. They're bulky and fairly large. Although these spiders are considered docile, when provoked, Brazilian salmon pink bird-eaters can deliver a bite with their 2-centimeter fangs that are comparable to a cat with no venom that impacts humans. They're quite common as pets. They breed readily in captivity and don't spin large webs or burrow. Number 6, GRAMMOSTOLA anthracina. GRAMMOSTOLA anthracina is a part of the tarantula family. They live in the scrub, desert areas, and grasslands in Argentina, Brazil, Paraguay, and Uruguay. This species mainly consumes insects and small reptiles and invertebrates, including beetles, moths, grasshoppers, lizards, cockroaches, and mealworms. Like the Brazilian salmon pink bird-eater, GRAMMOSTOLA anthracina is popular as a pet because of its look, size, and behavior. They can grow up to 16 centimeters in height. Number 5, Chaco golden knee, GRAMMOSTOLA PULCHRIPES. The Chaco golden knee is another species of New World tarantula that can be found in the grasslands of Argentina and Paraguay. The expected height of a Chaco golden knee tarantula is between 20 to 22 centimeters or 8.5 inches. These spiders are bearers of long light-colored hairs all over their body and gold stripes on their legs, particularly at the knees. They're burrowers rather than web makers, preying on insects smaller than themselves. Even though they're one of the largest spider species in the world, they're considered gentle giants, having a laid-back, docile temperament. This species is one of the best options for beginner tarantula owners. They're sweet and calm, so they don't require much experience handling. They're quite hardy, so you aren't going to kill them easily. It's worth steering clear of handling them though, as their bite is comparable to a wasp sting. Number 4. Colombian giant tarantula, MEGAPHOBEMA robustum. The Colombian giant tarantula, aka the Colombian giant redleg, resides in the Amazon rainforest of northern Brazil and Colombia. MEGAPHOBEMA robustum is a very impressive and interesting species of bird-eater tarantulas, with females reaching around 20 centimeters or 8 inches when fully grown. They aren't particularly venomous, but they surely are known to be very aggressive. They can be seen spinning and striking out with their spiked rear legs, so if you're planning on visiting the rainforest in either of the places, you better watch out. As with most other spiders on this list, Colombian giant tarantulas live on a mix of whatever mice, small lizards, and large insects they can find. Number 3. Face-sized tarantula, POECILOTHERIA RAJAEI. The oddly descriptive face-sized tarantula is one of the few tarantula species not native to South America. These species are found in old buildings and old growth trees in Sri Lanka and southern India. Ramil Nanayakara, the co-founder of Sri Lanka's Biodiversity Education and Research, told Wired they prefer well-established old trees, but due to deforestation, the number has dwindled, and due to lack of suitable habitat, they enter old buildings. Their discovery was made in 2010. There is little doubt the abnormal size of the spider could be disturbing, even to those not afflicted with arachnophobia. These spiders are not deadly to humans, however, their venom is strong enough to kill animals as large as mice, lizards, and small birds and snakes before eating them. Number 2. Camel spider SOLIFUGAE. Camel spiders can be found in all warm deserts and scrublands. Surprisingly, they can be found on all the continents except for Australia, since Australia is home to many species. Okay, so even though the name suggests that these species are spiders, they're actually not. In fact, this is an arachnid that looks really ferocious and has been talked about in legends. During the 2003 Iraq War, rumors were circulating about the spider, which would eat camels and soldiers from the inside out. Yikes! However, these rumors turned out to be false. Camel spiders do use digestive fluids to liquefy their victims' flesh and have jaws a third of the size of their 15 centimeters body length. They're not dangerous to humans. Their bite may be painful, but it's not poisonous. Number 1. Brazilian wandering spider PHONEUTRIA FERA. Brazilian wandering spiders get their name due to their behavior of wandering around the jungle floor at night. They don't make webs. In fact, they rest on banana plants or termite mounds. The Latin name PHONEUTRIA suggests that they're pretty deadly. These spiders tend to have the most toxic spider venom around. There are 9 species of Brazilian wandering spiders, all of which are nocturnal and can be found in Brazil. Some of the species can also be found throughout Central and South America, from Costa Rica to Argentina. A study was conducted on mice in which they were terminated with an injection of just 0.006 mg of venom. Other sources suggest that only 2% of the bites from these spiders result in the need for antivenom as a treatment. You better steer clear of these if you ever come across them. That about wraps up this video, guys. So what do you think? Do let us know everything in the comments section down below. And before we get out of here, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well as hit that bell icon. And with that being said, take care, and we'll see you guys later. Bye now.